Morning class, welcome back to your computer class. As in the last lecture, we will talk about formulas and function. Formulas which are used to perform calculation involving addition, subtraction, division, and multiplication. There are two types of formula: basic and compound formula. Basic formula contains one operator, and compound formula contains more than one operator. Now we are going to talk about our next topic, that is using text formula. Using text formula means we can perform addition on a character and string data type except for addition, other operations like subtraction, multiplication, and this type of things. We use symbols for addition. As usual, suppose Ram and Shyam. So adding this type of text is known as text formulas. In text formula, we add two text. For example, Ram, and then the second name is Shyam. We have to join this name. So we will write Ram and Shyam. So joining these letters, we have to use a formula. So that formula is known as text formula. Now our next topic is range in formula. First of all, we should know what is range. To select a particular area is known as range. Suppose we have to select A1 to A4. To selecting a range of area, एक particular cell को first to last select करना, the process of selecting the cell is known as range. Now coming to the next topic, that is types of cell reference. The cell address in the formula is known as cell reference. In formula, the name of the cell address is cell reference. We can say the another name of cell address is cell reference. There are three types of cell reference: relative reference, absolute reference, and mixed reference. In relative reference, we can create a formula reference to a cell or range, or usually based on the position related to the सेल. एक पर्टिकुलर सेल से रिलेटेड जब हम किसी भी तरह का फॉर्मूलाज यूज़ करते हैं या उस सेल को कंटिन्यू करते हैं, सो दैट इज़ नोन एज रिलेटिव रेफरेंस. Absolute reference is used when we do not want to change the address in the cell copying the formula to another cell. Suppose we all are going to copy this formula to another cell and we don't want to change the cell address. In that case, we will use absolute reference. Mixed reference, it is the combination of absolute and relative reference. So it is mixed reference. Our next topic is naming a sheet tab. As we know, there are three sheets in a one workbook, which is sheet 1, sheet 2, sheet 3. To rename this sheet, how can we rename this sheet? To rename this sheet, we have to first click on, that should be right click on the sheet tab. Then after, a menu will appear. In that menu, we have to click on rename option, and after clicking on the rename option, we have to type a new name. Then after, we will click on OK, and our sheet tab name will be changed. Now our next topic is function. As I told you, function are pre-designed formula in Excel to perform simple and complex calculations. Rules to enter a function. How can we enter a function in Excel? There are some rules. First of all, the function, it starts with equal sign. फंक्शन है हमारा, उसे स्टार्ट करने से पहले, राइट करने से पहले, वी हैव टू मार्क अ इक्वल साइन. देन आफ्टर, अ फंक्शन नेम मस्ट बी अ वैलिड एक्सेल नेम. फॉर एग्जांपल सम, एवरेज, मैड, मिक्स, मोड. देन फंक्शन नेम मस्ट बी फॉलोड बाय ओपनिंग एंड क्लोजिंग parentheses. दिस इज नोन एज parentheses. Okay. Parentheses contains arguments with it. For example, sum a1 is to a5. If there are more than one argument, then it should be separated by comma. Okay. Now we are going to see the different types of functions. To use this function, first of all we have to click on the cell in which we are going to enter this function. Then we have to mark equal sign. Then we will write the name of function. Then we have to select the cells from which we want to output. Then the last cell, and then after we will click enter button. Our answer will be shown on the monitor. Now our next topic is common function, which is max, which is used to take out large value in the given range. Next is today. It is used to display the current date. जो हमारी current date है उसे display करने के लिए हम today function का use करते हैं. That is sufficient for today. And you have to revise all the function. If you have any problem, you can tell me. Till then, have a nice day.